Hello, everyone. Are you ready to feel amazing? Today, we start a journey, a stronger you. We're focusing on abs, but it's about more than looks. Think of your core as the center of your power. It's the foundation for almost every move, getting out of bed in the morning. Carrying your groceries supports your back, helps you stand tall and proud. Your core is a secret weapon for a healthier, active life, building strength from the inside out. Many think ab workouts are just for a six-pack, but benefits go deeper than the mirror. Strong core improves posture. Nagging back pain can fade. Simple tasks feel easier. Better balance, better stability. It's improving your quality of life every day. Building a body that supports life's adventures. Unlock your inner strength. Imagine your body as a tall, strong tree. Your core is the trunk, steady and connected. If trunk is weak, tree is wobbly. If strong, it weathers any storm. That's what we're doing today. Strengthening the trunk. More resilient, more powerful, more confident. I know that starting a new fitness routine can feel a little scary. You might be thinking, can I really do this? What if it's too hard? Let me tell you something right now. Yes, you can. This workout is designed for you. It's for every single person who wants to feel stronger but doesn't know where to begin. We are going to take it one step at a time. There is no pressure to be perfect. The only thing that matters is that you try your best. Your best is always good enough. Remember that. The most important thing to bring to this workout is a positive mindset. Your mind is your greatest tool. If you believe in yourself, you are already halfway there. Don't compare yourself to anyone else. This is your journey. Your progress is unique to you. Some days will feel easier than others, and that is completely normal. The goal is not perfection, the goal is progress. Every time you show up for yourself, you are winning. We are going to work for 45 seconds and then rest for 15 seconds between each exercise. That rest is just as important as the work. Listen to your body. If you need to take a longer break, that's okay. This is your workout, and you are in control. We are building a sustainable habit, not pushing ourselves to the point of exhaustion. This is your time. It's 10 minutes dedicated just to you and your well-being. Our first exercise is the classic crunch. It's a fantastic move for targeting your upper abs. Let's get into position together. Starting position diagram. Follow the arrows for form. Lie down on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor about hip-width apart. You can place your hands behind your head for support, but be careful not to pull on your neck. You can also cross your arms over your chest if that feels better for you. This is your starting position. Take a deep breath in. As you exhale, gently lift your head, neck, and shoulders off the floor. Focus on using your ab muscles to pull you up. Imagine you are trying to bring your ribs toward your hips. Keep your lower back pressed into the floor. The movement doesn't have to be big. A small lift is all you need to feel those muscles working. Then slowly lower yourself back down to the starting position. It's all about control. Slow and steady wins the race here. A very important safety tip for crunches is to protect your neck. The work should come from your core, not from yanking your head forward. Think about keeping a space the size of an orange between your chin and your chest. Quality is always more important than quantity. Next up, we have leg raises. This exercise targets the lower abs, a tricky area to work. Let's get set up. Lie flat on your back. Extend your legs straight out in front of you. Place your hands under your lower back, palms facing down. This gives extra support and helps prevent arching. Legs together, toes pointed. This is our starting point. Now, for the fun part. Keep legs as straight as you can. Slowly raise them up toward the ceiling until perpendicular to the floor. Engage your core to control the movement. Pull your belly button toward your spine. At the top, pause for a second. Then slowly lower them back down toward the floor. Don't let them drop. The controlled lowering is where the magic happens. Feel your lower abs working. Protect your lower back. If your back arches off the floor as you lower, you're lowering too far. Only go as low as you can while keeping your back connected to the floor, or keep it connected using your hands. Modification: bend your knees. Bent knee leg raises are effective and gentler on the back. Listen to your body and pick the best option. Remember to breathe. Inhale as you lower your legs. Exhale as you lift them. Expect a burn in your lower belly. that means you're doing it right. It's time to work our obliques, the muscles on the sides of your abs. For this, we'll do Russian twists. This move is great for improving rotational strength and carving out your waistline. Let's get into position. Sit on the floor, lean your upper body back slightly until you feel your abs engage. Your back should be straight, not rounded. Bend your knees, lift your feet off the floor. If this is too challenging, keep your heels lightly touching the ground. Balance here for a moment. Now, let's add the twist. Clasp your hands together in front of your chest. Slowly twist your torso from side to side. Twist to the right, hands toward your right hip. Now twist to the left, hands toward your left hip. Let the movement come from your core, not your arms. Keep your hips as still as possible. Rotate your upper body around your spine. Feel it along the sides of your stomach. Focus on maintaining a straight back. Avoid letting your back round. That can put pressure on your spine. Keep your chest lifted and shoulders back. Slow, controlled twists beat fast, sloppy ones. You're doing great. Your core is getting a complete workout. Get ready to bring some energy. Our next exercise is mountain climbers. This is a dynamic move that works your abs and gets your heart rate up. It's like cardio and core training all in one. Let's start in a high plank position. Your hands should be directly under your shoulders, and your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Engage your core to keep your back flat and prevent your hips from sagging. This strong plank is your foundation. Now let's start climbing. From your high plank position, drive your right knee in toward your chest. Then quickly switch legs, bringing your right leg back to the starting position while you drive your left knee in toward your chest. It's like you're running in place against the floor. The key is to keep your core tight and your upper body stable. Try not to let your hips bounce up and down too much. The movement should be quick but controlled. You are in command of your body. Safety is super important with a fast-paced move like this. Make sure your hands are firmly planted and your shoulders are stable. If your wrists feel strained, you can try making fists and resting on your knuckles, or even going down onto your forearms. A slower, more controlled mountain climber is always better than a fast one with poor form. Protect your body first. You are building strength, endurance, and power all at once. You are so strong. We've made it to our final exercise, the plank. This is the ultimate test of core strength and endurance. It might look simple, but it works your entire core, shoulders, back, glutes. It's a full-body challenge that ties everything together. Let's get into the forearm plank position. Lie on your stomach, then prop yourself up on your forearms. Your elbows should be directly under your shoulders. Hands can be clasped together. Hands can be flat on the floor. Your body should be in a straight line. Now hold it. Lift your hips off the floor so your body forms a long, straight line from your head to your heels. Engage every muscle in your core. Imagine someone is about to poke you in the stomach. Tighten those abs. Squeeze your glutes. Squeeze your quads. Don't let your hips sag down or pike up toward the ceiling. Keep your neck in a neutral position by looking at the floor a few inches in front of your hands. Just breathe and hold. To stay safe during a plank, focus on your form. If it's too difficult to hold, modify by dropping to your knees. A knee plank is still an incredibly effective exercise. Honor what your body needs today. I know it's tough. Your body might be shaking, and that's okay. You are stronger than you think. You can do this. You did it. The 10-minute workout is complete. You showed up. You worked hard. You should be so proud of yourself. Before you rush off, let's take a few moments to cool down and thank our bodies for all the amazing work they just did. A proper cool down is so important. It helps your heart rate return to normal, gradually reduces muscle soreness, and improves your flexibility. Let's start with a simple cobra stretch to gently lengthen those abs we just worked so hard. Lie on your stomach, place your hands under your shoulders, like you're about to do a push-up. Slowly and gently, push your upper body up, lifting your chest off the floor. Keep your hips on the ground. You should feel a nice, gentle stretch along the front of your abdomen. Only go as high as feels comfortable for you. There should be no pain in your lower back. Hold this position for about 20 to 30 seconds, breathing deeply and allowing your muscles to relax. You've earned this moment of peace. Next, let's move into a child's pose to stretch out our back. From your hands and knees, sit back on your heels and fold your upper body forward. Let your forehead rest on the floor, extend your arms out in front of you, or rest them alongside your body. This is a wonderful restorative pose. It gently stretches your entire back and shoulders. Close your eyes and take several deep, slow breaths. With each exhale, let go of any remaining tension. You are calm, you are strong, you are accomplished. Take this moment to celebrate what you just achieved. You dedicated time to your health and well-being. That is a huge win. It doesn't matter if you had to take extra breaks or modify the exercises. What matters is that you tried. You pushed yourself and you finished. This feeling of accomplishment is what will keep you coming back for more. You